Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to remove Jeep Wrangler grille inserts. First, gather your tools, including a flathead screwdriver or a trim removal tool, and ensure your vehicle is parked safely. Next, open the hood of your Jeep Wrangler to gain easy access to the top of the grille. This initial step is crucial for a smooth and damage-free removal process. Now, let's focus on the top of the grille. You'll find 6 plastic fasteners across the top edge. These are like reusable plastic rivets. Use your flathead screwdriver to gently pry up the center pin of each fastener. Once the center pin is raised, you can easily pull out the entire fastener. Be sure to keep these safe, as you'll need them for reinstallation. With the top fasteners removed, it's time to detach the main grille. Gently pull the bottom edge of the grille straight out to release the retaining clips. There are typically 2 clips on each side, located between the headlight and turn signal. Before fully removing the grille, disconnect the turn signal wiring by sliding out the red tab, then squeezing and pulling the connector. Now, carefully pull the entire grille assembly away. Once the main grille is off, you can access the individual inserts. Depending on your Jeep model, these might be held by tabs or small screws. Use your flathead screwdriver to gently pry or unscrew each insert. Remember to work slowly and avoid using excessive force, as this can damage the plastic tabs or the grille surround. Take your time, and they should pop out easily.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.